Bees.
Hi everyone and welcome to the Eva channel. Have you ever seen any of these ladies' videos?
A huge colony of bees was living under this old playground equipment.
If not, then you really have to watch this video.
This suitcase was full of bees, so I opened it up and I found a beautiful old hive. This hive didn't have any food or brood, but it did have a lot of bees who were very gentle unless you were a threat to the colony like this wasp. I watched as the bees defended their colony and eliminated the wasp. Then I picked up the suitcase full of bees, I loaded it into my truck, and I took the bees home with me. Then it was time to move the bees out of the suitcase and into the new hive. So I gave the bees some smoke and they all started to leave the suitcase and march into the new hive because they knew it was a better place for them to live. So I waited and watched to see if I could find the queen bee in the crowd. And when most of the bees were out of the suitcase, all of a sudden I saw the queen bee walking into the new hive. So I gave the rest of the bees some smoke, and the entire colony moved out of the suitcase and into the new hive, and it was another great day of saving the bees.
So cute how she says bees. Let me explain a couple of words.
I opened it up and I found a beautiful old hive. This hive didn't have any food or brood.
A hive is a bee's home. And when she opened the suitcase, she found this beehive, but it didn't have any food or brood. What does brood mean? Brood is the active, immature form of an insect, like bees' babies, okay? Let's continue.
But it did have a lot of bees who were very gentle unless you were a threat to the colony like this wasp.
Okay, so she says that bees are very gentle unless you were a threat to this colony like a wasp. Let me explain a couple of words. A group of bees is referred to as a colony, just like ants. Do you enjoy learning English through videos? So much fun, right? Well, in the Eva app, we have more courses based on videos from your favorite movies and TV shows. Only real English, the only fun way of learning. Go get the Eva app. The link is in the description. With this link, you will get 6 months in Eva for free.
But it did have a lot of bees who were very gentle unless you were a threat to the colony like this wasp.
So bees and wasps are a bit similar and some people confuse them, but actually they are different animals. A wasp has bright yellow bands, while bees tend to have brown ones, and they're hairy. And unlike bees, wasps do not die after one sting. They can sting you quite a few times before you die. It can be up to 30 or 40, which could actually kill you. Let's look at the grammatical structure. She said bees are gentle, nice and soft, right? Unless you are a threat, which means but not if. So bees are in most cases gentle, except if you are a threat. Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, YouTube recommends our videos to other English learners like you. So just click like and subscribe to help other people from all around the world learn English for free.
I watched as the bees defended their colony and eliminated the wasp.
So the bees here were defending their colony. When you defend, it means you protect. Until they eliminated the wasp. To eliminate means completely remove. Another word would be get rid of. So they got rid of the entire wasp. If you say the entire, it means with no parts left. The whole. By the way, she's trying to save the bees. That's because bees pollinate our wild trees and wild flowers, which support other insects, which then support birds and bats and mammals and everything so you and I can have this world to live in.
And it was another great day of saving the bees.
Thanks for watching today's video. Would you like more similar videos? Let us know in the comment section below.